Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be learning how to do a balloon ghost for Halloween. So you need a scissors to trim off the ends nicely for the arms, a black marker to draw the eyes and the mouth, a 160 long balloon for the arms, a small 5" for the body, and glue dots for sticking the arms to the body. And once completed, you look something like this. This is how they look like. One angry and one cuter. So let's begin the tutorial for this. So to start, we're going to use our 5", inflate it. Almost all the way. So as you can see this part over here, I'm going to squeeze it a little bit so it goes down. So you have a shape at the bottom. I'm going to tie it up. So you're going to tie a knot towards the nozzle. So pull the knot towards the nozzle. So you can push more air over it. Alright, so you have a shape like this. Kind of squeeze, curve this part. So it looks something like this. Takes off, you're gonna get your 160 white. Inflate it. Tight it. And then same thing, you're gonna curve it. Pinch this part over here. So it curves like this. You're gonna cut off this part over here. Give it a twist and tear it off. Tie it up, don't waste it. Tie this part. Then take our scissors, snip off nicely. That's one arm. Now I'm going to do the second arm. Fold in half. Pinch this part. It's a bit too short. Tear off the end. Inflate it again. Continue, so fold in half. Pinch this part over here. There we go. I'm gonna check because it's the same size. It's roughly the same size. So this part over here, I'm going to cut it off by twisting it. And tear it off. Tie this part up. There we have two arms over here. Same thing for this. We're going to snip off and clean up nozzles. There we have both of our arms. Alright, next we are gonna get our glue dot. we'll get the glue dot. Stick it to one end of the arm. Make sure the glue dot is covering this knot over here, so it can be nicely stick onto the body. Alright, so can you see? The glue dot is all around the knot. I'm gonna get our body, stick it like this. Alright. The other arm, somewhere here. Do that. Do the same thing for the other arm. Make sure you glue knot as well together. Glue the body again. Something like this. Next, we're going to get our marker. Draw the eyes and the mouth. So the mouth will be something like this. A big oval. So in the middle, the eyes will be 2 circles. Like this. If you want, you can do angry eyes as well. Just draw the eyebrows. So make it look angry. Alright. Alternatively, you can make a cuter ghost by shortening the arms like this. Alright. Same thing, I'm gonna draw the mouth and the eyes. And give it happy eyes. Like this, to make it really cute. Or to make it look neutral. And draw circle eyes as well.